How are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, today we are going to see IDBI Executive previous year cutoffs. See friends, on other than IDBI executive salary, we have two facilities in IDBI. That is, first one, they will provide lunch to all employees, and second one, tea or coffee or milk you can take n number of times. For this one, bank is charging nothing. Okay, other than IDBI salary, they will provide you lunch, tea, coffee or milk n number of times you can take per day. There is no charges for this one. They will charge only minimal like 400 per month. They will charge, and remaining bank only bearing. Friends, this is one good initiative from IDBI bank. See friends, today we going to see expect previous year cutoffs of executive. See friends, we have reasoning, English, aptitude, each carries 50, 50, 50, and total for 150 marks, and oral time for 90 minutes. We have exam. See friends, category wise, see here, first one it is reasoning, second one it is English, third one it is quantitative aptitude, and out of 150 marks it is 50, 50, 50, it is for 150 marks. See friends, except general, cutoff will be, sectional cutoff will be same for each and every category. So ST, SC, ST, OBC, so OH, VI, WH, MD, ID. So remaining all reasoning it is 11.75 only. Even for general also, see friends here 17.75. Again English, when it comes to English, 4 marks for all categories except general. General it is 8.25, and quantitative aptitude 6.25 for all categories except general. General it is 10.75. And see friends here, oral cutoff, SC it is 85.75, ST it is 76.75, and OBC it is 92, and general it is 96.50, and OH it is 96, and VI it is 100. Again see friends, HH it is 52.25, and MD ID it is 52. See friends, that time EWS category is not there, so that one may be equal to general only, 1 or 2 marks it varies, but it is same as general cutoff. See friends, this cutoff is for 2018. So we going to see next 2019 cutoff also. See friends, again here category wise and marks and date of birth they have given. See here, SC for SC it is date of birth they have selected. It is the, see friends, 9494. So SC marks oral cutoff is 86, ST it is 73.75, and OBC it is 94.50. EWS, see friends, 2019 EWS category is there, so it is, see friends, 89. So 89 cutoff is there. Again general it is 99.25. so last time it is more compared to previous year. Previous year it is 96, now it is 99.25. Again you see WH 36.25, and OH 95, and VH 94.75. See friends, you have some common queries regarding executive. I am also employee of IDBI bank. I going to clarify some of your doubts. See friends, executives are eligible for any personal loan or any home loan. Means you are not eligible for personal loan or home loan, but I can tell you, if you have salary, in hand salary 25,000, means you can avail any loan in other banks. Okay, you can avail personal loan in any other banks. It is possible. Even SBI also can give you credit card, and HDFC also can give you credit cards. For that one, no issue. In hand salary it should be more than 25,000. You can apply from other banks. Okay friends. When it comes to health insurance, so friends, as per IDBI notification, they mention only floater insurance policy. What is floater insurance policy? Means you are the working employee, so you got selected in IDBI, so you are only the working employee. They will give you all reimbursement which are things happen to your health, means employee health, not to your family health. They are not covering your family, they will cover only you. Okay friends. Okay, but in COVID situation, one good thing they've given to these IDBI executives, what they've included their family also. If something employees family affected with COVID na, they will reimburse that amount also. So that time they have given that one also, what that reimbursement also for whoever affected executives family affected, for them also they have given reimbursement. One good initiative they have taken that time, but it will continue in future or not, we need to see. There is no clarity on that one. If they will give, it is good. If they won't give, they will cover employments, we can see that one, but they will continue that one. So if someone affected in our family with COVID na, they will give you 100% reimbursement. Okay friends, these are the things I want to convey you. And when it comes to level of examination, see friends, level of examination, it is like very easy. IBPS clerk preliminary examination, like prelims how we have, same thing you can have in IDBI preliminary, like reasoning, aptitude, English, all are three things are same IBPS clerk, whatever the exam you have, same type of questions we can see in this IDBI executive. Okay, it is not that much tough friends. Even you can you saw that cutoffs, it is 100 also for general category, but we have only 90 minutes time. See friends, we have 90 minutes time, but many people achieved 100 out of 100. So you understand, so paper level it will be easy. So focus on one subject, that is English. So if you are reasoning and you can do any question, means you focus more on English friends. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe friends. Your small contribution help me to provide more educational free videos. Take care friends. Bye friends.